how are you? My name is Anjal Singh and I welcome you to this quick and easy guitar tutorial for this beautiful Macklemore song called Can't Hold Us. Now this entire song will have 4 main chords to go through. You have only one strum pattern and you should be able to play this entire song just like that. So without wasting any more time, let's dive right into the tutorial and see how it goes. Now the 4 chords that we have to learn for this song, the first one we have E minor, followed by a D major chord, then we have a B minor chord. Now for people who are not able to do a bar chord yet, just keep the first finger over here on the first string and play the bottom 4 strings. Okay, you'll kind of get the similar sound. So we have a B minor again, like this, or both works. And last but not the least, we have a C major chord. Okay, one more time, the chords for this song, we have E minor to the D, we have a B minor chord or a B minor without the bar like this, then we have a C major chord. Okay, now in case you're struggling with the chord transitions, you just wanna hold the chord and then shift. You just keep doing one strum between whatever 2 chords you are struggling with. For example, if from D to B minor feels a lot, then just do 1 strum here, 1 strum here, 1 strum here, 1 strum here, or with this B. Okay, so the same idea applies, just try to get a hang of it before you jump into the strum pattern. Now the chord progression for this entire song is pretty easy. You just have one progression to go through the entire song. We're gonna have E minor followed by D, then a B minor, then a C, and that just loops around. Let's do that progression 3 times, 4 strums each. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the D, to the B minor, to the C. Let's do it again. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, B minor to the C. One last time, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. B minor to the C chord. Very well done. Now, if and only if you are able to do that, you are good for the strum pattern. But if you feel like you're struggling with that, just go back a little, practice this a little bit more. Your transitions have to be really good, otherwise the song will feel like it's running. Okay, that brings you to the strum pattern of the song. The strum pattern of the song is pretty simple. We are just doing down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up. That's your strum pattern. So on the E minor, you're doing down, up, down, up, down, up. Then you change chord to the D, down, up, down, up, down, up. B minor to the C, down, up, down, up, down, up. And again to the D, to the B minor, and the C. Very good. Now in case you are struggling with the strum pattern or while you do the strum pattern but your chord transitions are good, that just means you have to guide your hand a little. So as you strum, you wanna say it. If you can say it, you will see that the strums are just happening with the chords. Okay, so a very quick tip to learning strumming patterns are to just say it as you play it. If you can speak it, you can play it. It always and always goes like that. So let's do 2 or maybe 3 rounds of the chords with the strums and then we'll head into the play along. So 3 rounds, we have down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, D, B minor, to the C, and again E minor, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, B minor, to the C, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, one more time, to the D, B minor, and C. Very good. So if you can do that, then you're all set for the song. Let's dive right into the play along and see how you do.
Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit. Get up, first shot, come strut walking. A little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious, somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. Nope, nope, y'all can't copy. Glad moonwalking, and this here is our party. My posse's been on Broadway, and we did it all way. Chrome music, I shed my skin and put my bones into everything I record to it. And yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that Bob Barker suit game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me, on my INDEPENDENT shit hustling. Chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track bustin'. Halfway across that city with the back question. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give that to the people, spread it across the country. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give it to the people, spread it across the country.
Here we go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Here we go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
I really hope that you were able to play this entire song in its entirety and that you had a fun time doing so. But again, in case you still have any doubts, any queries, any suggestions, or even song requests, then please do feel free to leave a comment right there in the comment box below so that it may get conveyed to me. Now, if you really like this video, then please do feel free to hit that thumbs up button, as it really motivates me to make more such content for you. And if you want to see more of me, then as we all know, that subscribe button is your way to go, and I'll be back with more fun and easy to learn songs made specially for you. For today, this is it. You have a great day ahead. Take care. Bye bye.